An ABC adventures
from A to Z.
letters, sounds, and lots of fun.
Let's start now. 3, 2, 1.
A is for apple.
A is for apple.
A is for apple, juicy and red. Crunch it up, then off to bed. B is for bear. B is for bear, big and strong. Hug so tight all day long. C is for car. C is for car, zooming fast.
Beep, beep, watch it blast.
D is for duck. D is for duck. It waddles near.
Quack, quack.
We all can hear. E is for egg. E is for egg, so smooth and white. Crack it open, what a sight. F is for frog. F is for frog, jump and hop. Ribbit, ribbit, never stop. G is for giraffe. G is for giraffe, tall and sweet. Spots on its body and long, long feet. H is for helicopter. H is for helicopter, spinning high, whirring loudly in the sky. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, a summer treat we love to eat. J is for jellyfish. J is for jellyfish, floating by, wiggling gently in the sky. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo, bounce, 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 with a baby Joey in her pouch. L is for lamp. L is for lamp, so bright at night, glowing gently with the light. M is for monkey. M is for monkey, swinging trees. Ooh, ah, climb with ease. N is for nest. N is for nest, cozy and round, where little legs can safely be found. O is for owl. O is for owl, wise and wide-eyed. Woo, woo, he softly cried. P is for pizza. P is for pizza, cheesy and hot. A yummy slice hits the spot. Q is for queen. Q is for queen with the golden crown, smiling kindly in her gown. R is for rocket. R is for rocket, up it goes to the stars where no one knows. S is for snake. S is for snake, slithery and sly, hissing softly as it glides by. T is for train. T is for train, chugga chugga choo, riding tracks through sky so blue. U is for unicorn. U is for unicorn, magic and bright, with rainbow hair, a lovely sight. V is for violin. V is for violin, strings that sing. Play a song, let music ring. W is for whale. W is for whale, splashing with glee, singing songs deep in the sea. X is for X-ray.